Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with credit card on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now, after that, you just need to go and log in or register to Foodpanda. But now, guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, here, as you can see, we have in the left corner, we have your email, you have address and the search bar. And in the bottom of the screen, we have 4 tabs, which are the Home tab, the Shops tab, Search, and the Account tab. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with credit card in Foodpanda. First of all, what you need to do is go and buy something. So basically, here, first of all, you need to find a cuisine. For instance, let's say it could be a pizza. Then you just need to go and find the restaurant that you would like to buy from. And after that, the next step is to go and find something that you would like to buy. So click the plus button on the thing that you would like to buy. And after that, go back and you'll have it in the top right corner in your shopping cart. So it will be here where you can then go and buy it. But when you start ordering it, when you start buying it, you just need to go and change to credit card. Not PayPal, not Gcash or cash, just go and put credit card, and that's how you can then order it with your credit card. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.